Hello friends, welcome to Academic Heights. Learn from home. Why Academic Heights? For clarity, for concepts, for core, for competency. Overall, your turning point starts here. I am ready to teach you. Are you ready to learn? Discussing question number 10 in 6.3 exercise, chapter triangles. Let us see what he has given in the question number 10. CD and GH are respectively bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lies on the sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that CD by GH is equal to AC by FG, and triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Third one is triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. So this is the question he has given. First of all, you should notice that these two triangles are similar. Which two triangles are similar? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. So most of the students, they feel here it is given it as EFG. So why? Because of E after F, F after Z. But he has interchanged here FEZ. So look at this. Look at these two triangles. EFG, FEZ. Both are different triangles. Same triangle, but the order is important here. When similarity comes, order is important here. So please notice this one. That is FEZ triangle. Now, so these two triangles are similar. In these two triangles, CD is a angle bisector at C. GH is also a angle bisector at G. So this is the information he has given in the statement. Now what we have to prove this one? All these three equations we have to prove it. All these three relations we have to prove it. So CD by GH is equal to AC by FG, and these two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. So how to prove this question? So before solving the question, let us show this as a diagram. In the diagram, same statement I have represented in the diagram. I have taken triangle ABC here, and I have taken FEZ triangle. In this ABC and FEG, at C, CD is an angle bisector. When CD is an angle bisector, I can say this angle is, this total angle C is divided into C by 2 and C by 2. This is very, very important observation here. At Z, this is total angle Z. When we draw the angle bisector, that is GH, that is divided the total angle by exactly half. So that is angle Z by 2, angle Z by 2. So this is very, very important observation that you have to keep in mind. What do you mean by angle bisector? It divides exactly halves, two halves. The total angle, it divides exactly two halves. So that is the angle bisector here. So let us see this question how we'll do. First we'll write the given statement and what we have to require to prove. So what is given? Clearly these two triangles are similar. I already told you these two triangles are similar. He has already given in this. Not only this is given, CD is a CD and GH are angle bisectors. CD and GH are angle bisectors at C and G respectively. So this is a given statement in the question. What we have to require to prove? All these three relations we have to require to prove this one. Let us start the proof now. Before we are going to the proof, let us see the important observation here. He has clearly given triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEZ. When these two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. That means angle A is same as angle F, angle B is same as angle E, angle C is same as angle G. So that is very important observation. When two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. So I have taken A and F, B and E, C and G. These three angles are corresponding angles. Those are equal. This is the first observation. So I am taking angle C is equal to angle G. Angle A is equal to angle F. And angle B is equal to angle E. This is very important observation. Now, when CD is a bisector, CD divides angle C in exactly two halves. This is angle C by 2 and this is angle C by 2. Here in this triangle, GH is also an angle bisector. So when it is angle bisector, it divides angle G into exactly two halves. So angle Z by 2, here angle Z by 2. Now, can you tell me, is these two angles are equal? Is it angle C by 2? Angle C by 2, angle Z by 2. Is it equal? Question yourself. Yes, these two angles are equal. Why? Because of clearly angle C and angle G are equal. What is half of angle C? That is angle C by 2. And I am taking half of angle Z. That is angle 1 by 2 angle Z. So clearly C by 2 angle and Z by 2 angle both are equal. Since angle C and D are equal, their halves also equal. So this is very important observation. Now, this total question we are proving by angle similarity. Angle similarity. So here clearly, if I consider this triangle, if I consider this BCD triangle, if I consider this as EGH triangle, in these two triangles, angle B is equal to angle E. One angle is clearly it is equal. Just now we have discussed about angle C by 2, angle Z by 2. Already those two angles are equal. So clearly these two triangles are similar. This triangle is similar to this triangle because of by angle criteria. Their corresponding angles are equal. So two angles of this triangle is equal to two angles of another triangle is equal. Clearly by angle criteria we can say that these two triangles are similar. Next, I am taking these two triangles above BCD triangle, that is ACD triangle. ACD triangle. This is FGH triangle. If you look at these two triangles, clearly angle A and angle F is equal. Means one angle is already equal. Already we discussed angle C by 2, angle Z by 2 is already equal. By angle criteria, we can say that these two triangles are similar. So this is very important observation what I have discussed here. Keep in mind, based on this, we can solve the question now. Now, consider. So here we'll start the proof. Consider. So I'm taking these two triangles. Consider triangle BCD as well as triangle EGH. In these two triangles, angle B is equal to angle E. Why we are writing angle B is equal to angle E? Since already we know that these two triangles are similar. Since these two triangles are similar, that's why we are writing angle B and angle E is equal. The corresponding angles are equal. Next, we have one more corresponding angle. Angle C and angle Z is also equal. When angle C and angle Z angles are equal, their offs I am taking. Half of angle C is equal to half of angle Z is also equal. So what is half of angle C? It is clearly I can write it as angle BCD. Angle BCD is equal to angle EGH. So these two angles are equal. So here it is one angle, clearly it is equal. Why? Because of since those are similar, angle C and angle Z is also equal. Same reason those two triangles are similar. Their halves also equal. What is their halves? I have elaborately written as angle BCD is equal to angle EGH. So this is my second equation. Clearly by angle similarity. So this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. So clearly these two triangles are similar. By angle similarity, triangle BCD is similar to triangle EGH. So this is known as second one. You can see this one. This is second one we have proved here. BCD similar to EGH. So second question we have proved it here. Next, similarly we can prove the third one also. So let us see the third one now. Now I am taking the upper triangles. ACD triangle as well as FGH triangle. So these two triangles I am considering. So consider triangle ACD and triangle FGH triangles. So consider these two triangles. In these two triangles, clearly angle A is equal to angle F, since these are similar triangles. So angle A is equal to angle F. Since you can give the reason, here it is a similar triangles. You can give that reason. This is the first equation. Not only that, angle C is equal to angle Z. Already it is equal. Clearly angle C and angle Z is also equal. What about their offs? Half of angle C is equal to half of angle Z. Definitely these two also equal. So we can write it as this angle. This is the angle C by 2. This angle we are writing it as elaborately what we can write it as angle ACD is equal to this angle. I am writing it as angle FGH. So this is my second equation. Clearly the two angles are equal here. This angle is equal to this angle. This corresponding angle is equal to this angle. So in two triangles, two angles are equal. Therefore, by angle similarity, ACD is similar to triangle FGH. So this is known as third relation. We have proved the third relation here. ACD, can see from this side, ACD as well as FGH are similar triangles. So this is about the third one. So how to get the first relation? So I am using the third relation here. What is I got the third relation here? It is, what is I got the third relation? Triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH. When these two triangles are similar, so I am writing the corresponding sides that when two triangles are similar, not only corresponding angles are equal, their corresponding sides also proportional. Now I am taking the corresponding sides proportionality. So CD by GH. So CD by GH is equal to CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. AC by FG. I wrote their corresponding sides are in proportion. So you can write down since corresponding sides are proportion. Corresponding sides are proportion.